this video, I want to show you how to create empirical research survey. First, you need to click extension, school fee form, and then load form template. And now you can search empirical research like that. After you found it, just click load, select the template, and now you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings. And just refresh the page like this, and click school fee form, get link, and just click continue, and then choose your account, and click advance, go to school fee form, and then click allow here. Just wait for it and you will get the link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine like this. So now the form is ready to use, but you can add the appearance or the questions or anything in the form. Like for example, here I want to insert new row like tags, and then just copy the tags and I change it into name, for example, like this, and go to your form and it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change it into date to like this, and don't forget to change the type to like this. Refresh, and now it will change like this, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Or maybe you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear like this. And now go to settings to change the background color of your form. Pick any color that you want, so it will change instantly. It's very easy to use. Or maybe you can give a style for the title. For example, here I use mark behavior. You can just follow the code like this. For scroll amount, I use 25 here, but you can pick your own number. And don't forget to close the code /mark like this. And now go to your form, and the title is now moving. Thank you.